Everyone, today I will be creating 3 decorative decor storage boxes using the Art Minds flatwood boxes from Michaels. And here are the supplies I'll be using for this project. Foam sheets from Dollar Tree. Real leather craft strips from Hobby Lobby. Gold mirror tiles from Amazon. Standard mirror tiles also from Amazon. Wood pile decorative trims from Hobby Lobby. Decorative pulls also from Hobby Lobby. Mirror tiles. This is from, I will link the store, the company I got these from. I've had these for quite a while. The faux mirror from Amazon. I will also be using Mod Podge to seal everything in. The super gloss. Art Deco metallic paint in teal. Artist Loft in black. And the Eco Gold in the metallic gray. Alrighty, let's get it done. Hey, welcome to Design and Style with Stacy. I want to thank you for stopping by the house. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider hitting that subscribe button. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Be blessed. Alright guys, 3 of the 4 boxes have been painted. Here is the metallic gray. They're all drying as of right now. Here's the black. Did this one with the Artist Loft acrylic black. And here is the turquoise. Okay. Time to embellish.
Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying tryna get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't be and live my life. Don't take it personal. We just building. It's my season, lay foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
You want me sometimes and then you don't. You thought I would stay, well then I won't. Don't wanna keep you around anymore. You're no longer the light I used to know. You want your life to be an open door. Don't wanna tie yourself down, afraid of getting bored. You like those pretty people disappear in smoke. You're no longer the light I used to know. I can't help what I'm feeling. You think we're okay, baby, you're dreaming. You brought this on us and you don't know how deep it cuts. No, you don't know how much it hurts. You can't hold on. It's slipping through your hands, and I won't try to understand. It's all gone, under your command, under your command. Yeah. think we're